Yes, people, Mr. Road Warrior here. I am in Lisbon, Portugal, on my way to Accra, Ghana, and I have a bit of a layover. And you know, as from layover, well, a fairly lengthy layover. I know it's from that, but man, I have to touch the road. You see it? Because it's all about learning all kind of things, seeing different places, the whole works. Ragashanti Travel Club, the mad thing. But actually, I really have to come on the road because Mr. Smarty Pants here left his phone charger in his checked luggage, and you don't know what phone I have to use. You understand? And from phone I use, battery I use. From battery I use, phone I have to charge. So I'm actually on my way looking for phone charger. Somebody say, it look like a down that way I'm for go, you know. Yeah, man, I must sit that over there, so. Hold on, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm saying one mall. But, me ask that lady, you know. Miss, is the mall, where's the mall around here? Portela. No, the mall, shopping. The shopping mall. Para comprar cosas. Sí? Over there? Okay, thank you. Gracias. Well, I know a little Spanish. I don't know Portuguese, but as you all know, Portuguese and Spanish are from the same family of languages, Latin languages, so they're similar. So she thought I was asking what's the name of the area. So she told me Portela. And but when did I ask her which part of the shopping mall, and just like I thought is over that side there, you see me? But when you talk, you look at Spanish and thing, them will pick up, man, you see it? Them are the little adventures, they will love it at the thing. No, mad, so over here, so if anything happen to me, I don't want me to do other place, I'm there, yeah. Another time they can look for me, it's called Lourdes Parque, oferta, and all these things, and blah, 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 blah. So in here, so I'm going to right now, go look some food, and go look for my phone charger, you see me? Alright. I want to say I'm on my way to Accra, and it's all about putting things in place to set up the September Ghana group trip led by yours truly. That trip is already sold out. Sorry. The next one is April of 2025. And if you want to be on that one, make sure say you link me and we record your $1,000 deposit in order for all your spot. Remember, you can pay over time for the trip, but as happened with the September trip, it was pretty much sold out within a couple months when I announced it in January. All right. So if you want to dip on the April 2025 trip, make sure say you link me, pay your $1,000 deposit, lock your space for that one day, and meet the other deadlines for paying over time and all these things. Anyway, I'm gonna look some food right now, Yeah, I'm gonna buy my phone charger. Lisbon, Portugal. And there's some of them, it's Cherry Washbell. Mama would be so proud of me right now. Anyway, as soon as my God. Yeah, I some I go. Centro Comercial de Portela. You understand? Portela Commercial Center. In we go. Forget my phone charger. Open sesame. Hold on. Oh. I want to kind of take a look at language though.